Hi, it's Karen from Scrap Dragon. I'm going to show you today how to put together your paper storage rack. When it arrives out of the box, this is what it will look like, and once you put it together, this is the finished product. So now I'm going to show you how to put it together. So you get one back piece, you get two side pieces which are actually exactly the same. I've got this groove here, and this is the groove that the shelves will actually sit on. You get 7 shelves, they're all exactly the same. And the top and the bottom, again, they are exactly the same. This is the groove where the back piece goes in. So we'll start with that piece. Now, when you're putting this together, if it's going to be in a cube, you probably don't need to use wood glue, but we do suggest that you use wood glue to secure it if it's going to be sitting on your craft desk in your craft room. So you get a little bit of wood glue and you put it in these spots here and across the back, and then we can start to assemble it. So starting with, I like to start with the back piece first. So that just fits into that little slot there. And then we put the side pieces on, putting them on, making sure that this groove here goes at the back. And again, if it's going to be sitting freestanding on your desk, I suggest you put a bit of wood glue down that groove, and it just slots in here. Just remember, you put wood glue there. And again, with the other side, the same thing, put some wood glue down, a little bit of wood glue down here. And making sure it's pushed down, pushed in, nice and secure. And we put the top piece on, and again, let's just put a little bit of wood glue in here, into these spots, and across the back. And when we're putting this on, this groove goes to the back. Down. Then it's a matter of just putting the shelves in. Now you can have these shelves glued in if you want, so it'd be a matter of putting a little bit of glue along each of those runs in there. Otherwise it's just, they just slide in. One at a time. And there it is, finished. So you can leave it like this, or you're welcome to paint it, or use some Mod Podge, decoupage it, decorate it however you want to fit in with the rest of your craft room. Once you've got it completed, you can then actually just put it into your storage cube unit. These fit perfectly in there. So click the link below to buy these at our website, scrapdragon.com.au.